Welcome to the Nature Station. I'm Mr. Michael, and this is Jackson.
Oh, hi.
Today we're going to get our hands dirty with compost. Compost is usually made outside in big bins, but what if we could shrink it down and bring it inside?
That would be so cool.
Well, then let's make a compost jar.
Yeah, let's do it.
To set up your own nature station, you just need a jar, some soil, some food scraps, newspaper, and some water. We start by adding in the soil.
I got it.
Okay, good job. I'll take that.
Ooh, some got out on the table.
Next, we need to sprinkle in some newspaper.
Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Sprinkle.
All right. Good job. Now we just need to add some food scraps.
We have lots of tangerine peels over here.
All right.
Tangerine, tangerine. Oh, you make me wanna sing. La 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 la. Tasty.
All right. Tangerines are yummy. Now that we have our soil and our newspaper and our food scraps, we need to mix them all together. Should we do it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Mix a mix a mix a mix. Here we go. Shake a shake a shake. All right. Does that look all mixed up?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the last thing we need to add is a little bit of water.
Great. I'm awesome at watering things.
All right, here you go. And now we add a top made out of paper and we hold it on with a rubber band. There we go. And then you know what we need?
What?
We need some air holes.
Ooh.
Can you poke 3 holes in the top?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
All right. And now we have our own compost jar where we can watch nature work.
Wow, that's cool. Is it working? I don't see the nutrients going around. Is it broken? Nutrients, are you in there?
Those are some great questions, Jackson. Well, to watch nature work, sometimes we have to be pretty patient, but it's always worth the wait. So that we can watch nature work, I'll make a line right at the top of the compost here. Over the next few days, as nature works, the compost will get smaller and smaller, and in a few days, we can make another line to see how much smaller it's gotten.
Good. I can't wait. I'm so curious to see what happens next.
Me too. Curious me, curious you. Together we can learn something new.
Thank you for helping me make a compost jar, Mr. Michael. I promise I'll take really good care of the little nutrients.
I'm sure you will. Have fun watching nature work. Are you curious about nutrients too? Just like Jackson, you can make a compost jar at home. Have your grown-up go to the Nature Time website for tips on how to set up your own nature station and make your own compost jar. Bye. See you next time. What do you see in there?
Water, paper, oranges, and dirt.
Oh, there you go. Any nutrients yet?